Apple unlikely to bring Touch ID back to the iPhone despite testing it. That's interesting. I know there had been rumors of such wonderful solutions for the double unlock diversification efforts, Face or Touch ID. We had hoped that it would be in a power button.
It's one or the other, right?
It's one or the other.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not two. And
it should be two.
Well, the mask opened up a lot of criticism, and then they believe that they did the correct workaround for the mask, but then I was wearing sunglasses yesterday, and then there goes the Face ID. Just the sun. I don't know if maybe it was the pair of sunglasses I was wearing.
And then you got to put in the passcode.
I had to put in the passcode, and I just about returned the iPhone at that point. Okay. No, I'm just joking. But
wait, doesn't your watch know that like your phone is nearby, that you can unlock it?
What watch?
The one that you charge.
Yes, you can absolutely do that. Yes, you can absolutely do that.
Oh, okay.
Face ID replaced Touch ID on the iPhone, starting with the iPhone 10 in 2017. Since then, there have been scattered rumors about Apple potentially adding Touch ID back to the iPhone, but nothing has actually come to fruition. Now, a new report from Bloomberg says that while Apple has tested adding Touch ID back to the iPhone, it's unlikely that it'll actually happen anytime soon, if at all. Over the past few years, there have been discussions within Apple about bringing Touch ID back to high-end iPhones. The company has tested in-screen Touch ID and even contemplated putting it on the power button at this point. I believe Face ID is here to stay, and Touch ID won't be returning to the flagship iPhones at least any time in the foreseeable future. Well, they figured out how to somewhat shrink down what was the notch into the pill, into the dynamic island. Maybe they're satisfied with that. Maybe they're satisfied with possible future efforts to put the Face Unlock underneath the display completely. Yeah, what can I say? I don't know. I prefer to have both, obviously, but maybe that's un-Apple-like. There are other brands that allow you to do it. However, most of them have a less robust version of Face Unlock.
Right.
They'll give you optical photo-based Face Unlock alongside fingerprint unlock, and you'll use whichever is more convenient in the moment. On the Apple side of things, it's going to be Face or passcode for the time being, and based on this story, based on what Gurman has to say, into the foreseeable future. Face,
under display.
Face, no touch.
ID.
Face, no touch.
Okay.
Face, no touch.